Hello everyone, for this short lecture we are going to be tackling the microanatomy of your nervous tissue. So we are going to be using your frog nerve, in particular its cross-section, in order to tackle the structural organization. So for example, you have here your spinal nerves. So if you were to take cross-sections of it, you are going to get something like this. So first things first, your nerve is surrounded by connective tissue known as your epineurium. Furthermore, your nerves are subdivided into so-called fascicles, and these fascicles are actually surrounded further by an additional layer of connective tissue known as your perineurium. Now, let's take a closer look inside your fascicle. So here you can see the individual nerves bundled together. So let's discuss. So again, you have here one nerve cell, and another one. So you are seeing their cross sections as well. Now, what you're seeing here is the axon in the middle, and this thick white layer is actually the myelin sheath covering the axon. Furthermore, your nerve cells are actually surrounded by a last connective tissue known as your endoneurium. Okay, so for your nerve cells, we're going to be using the cow nerve instead to discuss the structure present within your nerve cell. So what we have here is your cow nerve smear, and we have here a single nerve cell. So again, the major parts are your soma or cell body in the middle, making up the bulk of your nerve cell. And then you have here two kinds of processes. So the shorter ones are your dendrites, which receive signals from other nerve cells, while your longer one is your axon, which is the one which transmits the signal towards other nerve cells. And that's about it. So thank you for listening.